Hey, it's Audeyah. Welcome back to my channel. So we've been in quarantine for almost 3 months now, and I've only done hair removal once since being in quarantine. So today I'm going to be using some products that I purchased from Amazon. So I have the Sugar Wax hair remover, and this is what it looks like. It comes with a stick, it comes with instructions, and it comes with a few pads for you to do it. So I have that, and then I also have this 3-in-1 ready to use wax strip kit. So I'm going to be using this on one underarm and then this one on the other. I'm using the sugar wax under this one because it is more hair, and I'm going to be using the wax strip under this one because it's less hair. So I'm just going to read the instructions, and then I'm going to use the spatula that it comes with and mix it. And then it says to scrape it. Then it says to check the little blue patch and see what it says. So it's not saying anything, so I'm gonna mix it one more time just to make sure that the complete temperature is what it should be, and then I'm gonna scratch it off one more time. First of all, this is a very messy process, so I'm just gonna read it one more time. It says, if you see no instead of a blue square, the wax is too hot. Leave it to cool down before rechecking the temperature with the spatula. So I'm going to take it out. It still says no. So it would have been too hot for me to put on my skin, and especially because I'm putting it on my underarms, I have to be very, very careful. So I'm gonna take a sip of my sangria that I made with apples, red wine, and oranges. Because if I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna need some help. Your armpit should be free of any residue. So I'm just going to peel open a wipe, an alcohol wipe. So I just have to make sure that my armpit is dry. I'm a little nervous about how this is gonna work, but at the same time, it's like, I wasn't born to be afraid. So my mother didn't raise no punk. I've never done this myself, but it's always the first time for something new. So this is it, and I'm just going to rub it to free it of any debris. And just try to be as thorough as possible. Here we go. Next, I'm gonna check the wax again. The no is very faint. Let me try it on my hand. Okay, it's not hot on my hand. So I'm just gonna go in. As you could tell, I am very fearless, even though I know what waxes feel like. Like, you guys saw my first wax video, so you guys already know how I react to it. So I have these, and I'm just gonna make sure that I have the strips in a place that I can see. So I'm going to take this strip thing. I'm trying to see how it works. This is about to be a disaster, and I don't want nothing crazy to happen. So I'm gonna cut the strip. So pretty much this could literally take off all of my armpit hair, but I'm gonna just do it in sections. So when I tell y'all, I'm not second guessing it. So let's go. I know this is about to hurt. It got a couple of the hairs, but as you can see, it left something behind. But then also I wasn't trying to rip out my skin. I'm just doing what I remember the wax lady would do to me. So like low-key, it does kind of hurt. Apply it. As you can see, I have no sense. Put the sitting on and make sure I leave a little flap. One, two, three. That one really took some hairs with it. I'm gonna stick the last piece on this because that's pretty much like residue. A couple of hairs coming out, but like I need to get that goop. I need to get that goop. I mean, I guess I got the goop. So I've used 3 of these so far. I'm gonna try this time to cut the strip in half and continue the rest of the pit, because I think what it is that I'm using sections that are too small. And we're gonna do this for the last time. I don't know what I'm doing. Clearly it's never been more obvious. I think doing it this way this time will help. Press it down. No, I'm gonna let it relax for a little bit. My hand hurts from being up so long. This sangria is hitting though. 1, 2, 3. The thing is, hair is coming out, but hair still getting left back. Don't get me wrong now. This hurt now. Okay. That seems to have done the trick. So yeah, all of it is gone. I'm just gonna clean up so I can remove the excess wax. One armpit is done. So to clean off the rest of the glue, I'm gonna use alcohol. There's still like some little whiskers. I didn't get a clean wax, but this is also my first time waxing, so I didn't expect anything revolutionary to happen. So yeah, I'm done with that. So now we're gonna do the other armpit, and this one is gonna be with wax strip. And according to the instructions, you have to take out the double wax strip, carefully peel the strips apart, grabbing the rounded easy tabs, and then it says with the easy grip tab at the bottom, apply, rub several times in the direction that the hair grows to make sure the wax adheres well. Then it says hold your skin taut, grasp the tab and pull the strip back on itself as quickly as you can against the direction that the hair grows. Pull the strip back with one swift motion. Close to the skin rather than away from it, and then after waxing, clean away the wax left on your skin with a perfect finish wipe. I have already cleaned my underarm. I saw that people who've been doing this, they always like rub it, so I'm gonna do that and then peel it. Not bad. And we're gonna go in for the kill. I'm going to probably apply it this way. Yeah. That was not smart. but this is the best we could do right now. So just right there, hold it down, apply some pressure, have some sangria. Did it take anything? Not really, so it probably wasn't ready, but don't worry. That's one. We're gonna go in with some more scents this time. Oh, this is such a fail. These are not for first time users. Okay, that got some hair. That got a little something. Yeah, it's not taking off a lot of hair, and then my armpit just keeps sticking together. So I'm gonna use a little bit more scents this time and cut the strip since it's only a small area that I'm doing. So I cut it in half. My hands start hurt again. So press it into the skin. I think that's what I wasn't doing properly, like really trying to press it down. But now that I cut this in half, it should make it a lot easier to just go in and pull. Don't get me wrong, this hurt. But I'm just, yeah, as you can see, it's getting the hairs much better. Gonna keep going though. All them fine hairs under my pit is making this more difficult than it needs to be. I'm tired, Jack. One more for the one time. When I tell you my arms are on fire, that barely have any kind of growth, giving me this much stress, I can't imagine. And just for the sake of using the last part of the strip, because I can't put it back into the box for quite obvious reasons, I'm gonna go in there again. Well, that was that. I'm gonna go in with the alcohol. Just clean up all the stickiness. Ooh. So yeah, that was not much fun, but at least you know now my armpits are hairless. So for the sugar wax, I use all of these, and for the wax strip, I use all of these. So yikes. Anyway, the point of the matter is, as of now, both armpits are free of hair. So yeah guys, that's really all that matters. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this very interesting experience, and clearly I have nothing better to do while in quarantine. So yeah, my armpit's still sticky, so I'm gonna go take a shower so I could, you know, relieve myself of all that gooiness. So this is what one armpit looks like. This one, it was with the sugar wax, and then this is what the other armpit with the wax strip looks like. I think the reason I enjoyed using this one more is because it's a lot easier to clean up than this one is. Like my hands from using this is still sticky, whereas with this one it's not as sticky. But I use less strips than I did cloths, overall, I love the results of the sugar wax versus the wax strip, and I would recommend this one. I am a first time user, but also I've watched a million wax videos and I've also been waxed myself, so that's probably why I decided to go on a limb and try this. Let me just finish the sangria since the video is pretty much done. Sangria, apples are next. Let's try the orange. This is really good. Fruits, salt, and wine. Thank you guys so much for watching and going through this experience with me. I'm very happy to have clean underarms now, so there's that. We'll get to down there another day, not today, because with all that pulling in, I'm gonna leave that for the professionals because clearly I don't know what I'm doing. But anyway, I'm gonna go wash up now because I'm very sticky and I need to clean up my desk. So without further ado, I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye.